Hello everyone, this is Debayan and welcome to another video of MBA Talks. In this video, I'll be talking about SEO strategies that you need to follow in 2021. If you are into digital marketing, into content creation, this video is for you. Before I get into the video, if you are coming to my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. I keep coming up with marketing and business related content for you. If you have watched my previous videos, you would know about SEO, when it is used, how it is beneficial, and how SEO is different from other digital marketing activities. In this video, I will give you 5 SEO strategies that you need to start doing if you want the algorithm to be your friend. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. The first thing you need to ensure is that you have the keywords in the right places. The crawling engines must know what your article is about, but what people confuse is the amount of keywords they need to use. The search engine is an algorithm that is continuously evolving, and they're here to provide a good experience for the browsers and readers. So they will give a preference to the articles that actually solve the problems people are looking for. Stuffing your articles with keywords needlessly would not be preferred by the engines. So while you create your content, remember to have keywords in mind. Also, don't forget why you are creating content: to provide value to your customers, to your target audience. The tools you can use for keyword analysis are Most Keyword, SEMrush, SEO Review Tool. I will link all these in the description. Some of them are paid, some of them have a free trial period. Check out their website and decide which work best for you. The second thing you need to focus on while creating your content is to write in such a way that you can appear in the search engine's featured snippet. Whenever you have searched for a particular info on Google, you must have come across a box that has a portion of a website that answers your query briefly. Those boxes are called featured snippets. They are presented in such a way that the searchers get an idea about the topic in question. To appear in the featured snippets, you need to understand the various kinds of snippet options available in Google and what works best for your website and your product. It can be lead generation, it can be e-commerce snippet, it can be informational snippet, transactional snippet, etc. You need to check your Google Analytics and understand the pages that are having a good response. Ensure they follow Google's structured data testing tools. And if you want to know more about feature snippets, I have the links to smartinsights.com in the description. This is not a paid promotion. I just want you all to have the best of the resources for your business. The third thing you need to ensure is that you build links to your website. According to Backlink, Google has changed its algorithm many times over the course of the years, but backlinks have remained an essential factor for establishing your domain authority. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are the links to your website on other people's sites. When other people mention your links, the search engines realize that your content is valuable and that other websites have mentioned you. This helps rank your page on Google. To ensure backlinks, you need to ensure that your website is linked on good quality, trustworthy websites. If the domain authority of the page your page is linked to is high, it will pass on the same authority to your website. This is more like getting recommendation from a respected individual is way better than getting thousands of recommendations from insignificant ones. Build trust and provide valuable content. Try to collaborate with popular and trustworthy websites in your domain. This will ensure that you have a good backlinks from them. Also, after you have ensured backlinks, you need to improve older links with new content. You need to link your other pages so that the people who visit your website spend more time with you, spend more time consuming your content. The fourth thing you need to ensure is improve your user experience. All the above methods are helpful in bringing users to your website, but they will stay and read your articles, consume your content only when your website provides a good experience. Fill your content with infographics, images, so that the consumers don't have to struggle in reading your blogs. You need to solve their pain points. Now, how does user experience help SEO? The search engines take a note of the bounce rate and dwell time to rank your page. Bounce rate refers to how many users leave your website after seeing one page. Higher bounce rate would mean users didn't find anything suitable on your website and have decided to drop. This will harm your page's future rankings. Dwell time is the time spent on consuming your page's content. More dwell time means that people spend more time reading through your blogs, browsing through your menus, etc. Having a good user experience will ensure that your visitors stay on your website and spend time consuming your content. To ensure a good user experience, try improving your page's look and feel. Make them visually appealing to consume and navigate. Fasten the page's load speed, reduce the page's load time, have reader-friendly URLs. If you want to improve the rankings, you need to improve your crawlable content, and therein lies the fifth strategy. Focus on optimizing your meta description. Meta description is a summary of the content in the HTML of the page that helps in improving your click-through rate. Some key metrics you need to follow for improving your meta descriptions are: keep the description within 160 characters, have all the focused keywords in the meta description, have a call to action, make it relevant and catchy. So these 5 SEO strategies are going to help you rank your website in the search engine results page. And wait, there is a bonus content for you because you have stayed with me so far. Apart from doing all the 5 strategies, you need to ensure that your pages are mobile optimized. Almost 50% of the consumers consume content from their phones. If your website isn't mobile optimized, you may not rank when people are searching from their phones. So despite having a good ranking on computers, you will lose out on 50% of the potential visitors. So whenever you are designing a page, ensure that every page is search engine optimized. Every page is mobile optimized. This advice was only for the people like you who stayed till the end. So what are the steps you use or are going to use in your SEO strategies? Do mention the same in the comments below. Also share this video with anyone you think needs to know this. Let's all spread the knowledge and help each other. See you in my next video. Till then, take care, keep marketing.